Hi guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 unknown facts about woodpeckers. Alright, let's start. So the first unknown fact about woodpeckers is that woodpeckers can find their prey by sound or smell. Alright guys, I'm gonna move on to the next unknown fact about woodpeckers. The next unknown fact about woodpeckers is that woodpeckers are a very smart bird. Alright guys, I'm gonna move on to the last and final fact about unknown fact about woodpeckers is that woodpeckers feel really shy at all times. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to follow Instagram channel. Bye, see you later.